we're operating close to 15,000 dockets per month. And that's a huge number. Somebody has to track it manually. What is the benefit we have having the ClickPost? First is we save the time. Second thing is the data visibility. Everybody having the uniform data visibility is that. Real-time data visibility also there. And the POD also they are real-time basis. So any dispute also now it's able to solve within the span of 24 to 48 hours. HealthKart is one of the leading supplement and nutrition company that's deliver powerful nutrition, supplements, sports nutrition and wellness product also. If you ask me though, what is the challenges we have before implementing the ClickPost? First of thing that for B2B you don't have any system as such because everything has been on manual mode. That if you're booking, if you're the tracking and the POD management, everything was on manual. Apart from that, if you track the transporter, you have to go to the individual website. There is no single platform that one user can do it. What is the benefit we have having the ClickPost? First, the booking. Booking is automated. Now tracking part, everything is the ClickPost one unified platform. User has to go to multiple platform to track the consignment. And the most important thing is the POD. So once they deliver, immediately within the 24 hours, the POD will come to the my system, my unified system. The time of taking to get the data and to track the data, that has been reduced also. How my team is using the ClickPost today, they have one unified platform is there. The user is fast, upload the data in that platform. By that, the trigger will be go to the carrier. Then carrier get a notification that this consignment is ready for the pickup. Now he has to come and pick the paper. Everything is ready because all this shipment is booked through API. Label has been already pasted. The huge guy will come and directly pick the consignment. So you have a huge time saving there. Apart from that, there is a Sarathi app that also play an important role also because for local carrier, every carrier does not having the API integrations. So they are using with the ClickPost Sarathi app. So any activity they do, either deliver or returns or rejection, that's notification directly come to my system. By that, local carrier can be tracked also.